Good day, everybody. Welcome once again. And this video, we are going to look at how you can actually add a watermark, something like a pattern right to your graph on Matplotlib. So, most of us we know that whenever we plot and then maybe push it to the open source, our graph might end up not actually maybe when somebody really want to quote our work, they might not actually really remember where the graph was coming from. So in all these things, you really need to be encouraged and maybe recognized for the good work you have put in and the time and effort that you actually put in to make something work and actually work with something. So, putting something maybe a kind of a watermark, kind of it's not like a pattern, right? Maybe to recognize that is this person that actually plotted this, and maybe before the person can actually put it on his work and so, and this is a way you can actually do it. Okay, this is the simple code that we have here. This is we've imported matplotlib as plt, and then we define the function bar chart, which take a variable number, label, and position, and then we now have our figures. We define our figures, how we want our figure, what's the length and the width, and then the we now plot our bar, and then this is where we now add the watermark. And first of all, we this is the name we gave to the watermark, this is the dimension, and then this is the font size, the color, like the color we want it to appear on the graph. This is where either right, and then where we want it to come bottom, the alpha, then the opacity, the how, that's what this alpha stands for. How bright do we want it to look like? Do you want it, if you add more, maybe 8 or 9, you see it become more brighter. And then how do we want to rotate it? We don't want to, we want it to be recognized as you don't want it to be maybe flat or something. You have to rotate it so that when somebody look at it, you notice it's a watermark, and it's not actually an information that the graph is actually representing. And then we now we now put our PLT, the label and everything, and then we now plot our our bar chart, and then this is where we now pass all the variable that we need. Our label, the number, which is our data. You can plot, you can put in any data that you want here, and then we now our position, and then we now put the code our bar chart with all the variable that is going with it. So let's now plot this so that you now see it in work. Okay, as you can now see, this is our monthly expenses, and there was no title for the chart. And this is our monthly expenses. As you can see, this is actually what we want to actually talk about. This is the this is Python book, and then this is actually when somebody maybe share this chart, you can be able to recognize that this chart was done by Python book, because you can see that the watermark is actually showing. So this is how you can easily add a watermark to your chart, and then make it something that it will be recognizable that is coming from you, and then so many other things. And this is all I have for you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Please click like and then subscribe to my channel for it to grow. I can't wait to see you next time. Thank you, and God bless you.